Welcome to our Android game, Sungka. To start off, we will show you how we implemented the rules of Sungka in our game. Our game starts off by distributing all 98 shells equally across the 14 trays on the board. Players' stores are represented by a significantly larger tray on either side and start empty. In order to decide which player goes first, the game starts off by allowing both players to simultaneously select their trays. Whoever exhausts all of their possible moves quicker in the first turn becomes the first player. After this, the game carries on normally, alternating turns between the two players unless they earn extra or cannot play. Shells are distributed in an anti-clockwise fashion. If a player's shell comes across the opponent's store whilst redistributing, the store is ignored, and instead, the next shell is placed in the following tray. If the last shell of a player's turn lands in their own store, they are rewarded with an additional move. A player can capture an opponent's tray if their last shell lands in a previously empty tray, thereby capturing that last shell as well as all the shells in the corresponding tray on the opponent's side. If a player cannot make a move due to having no shells in their trays, the turn is then given to the other player. In this game clip, the current turn is not given back to player 1 since there are no available shells in any of player 1's trays. Once there are no shells left in either player's trays, the game ends and a prompt appears allowing each user to enter their name. These details are automatically added to the high score table. To play in multiplayer mode, we select LAN multiplayer from the main menu. This allows us to play over the local Wi-Fi network against somebody else who has the app installed. Here you can select to be a host or to join a host game. In order for another player to connect to the host's IP address is required, which is shown in the center of the interface of the host game. Once this is entered, the host and client automatically connect to each other. The game randomly chooses the player who will start the game and sends this information to the client so that they are synchronized. After this, the game logic now follows the normal rules and includes the features found in other game modes such as animations. The high score table can be reached via the main menu. It offers the ability to view a list of the top 100 scores which are stored on a local SQL database. Additionally, there is a detailed view of each score, showing the player's previous scores as well as the date the games were played on. We have provided the option to play against the computer. The AI tries to decipher what the best move is by evaluating all of the possible moves and giving them values according to a set of rules. Capturing an opponent's tray or earning another turn by landing the last shell in the AI store adds more value than simply taking a move. It even checks whether a move will allow the players to potentially steal its shells on the next turn.